The bottom line up front is that you are going to make mistakes. Okay. And that's great. Okay. If you are trying, you will make mistakes. Okay. But making a mistake is not the end of the world. Some people, whenever they make mistakes, they're like, gosh, that's it. I'm done. I'm through. I quit and I give up. No, you can't do that. You must continue to take appropriate action. But more importantly, you must come up with a plan of action in order to figure out what went wrong, why it went wrong, and then how to resolve that issue and how to fix that issue. So the next time when you do something, it does not happen again. You must come up with a framework, okay, to resolve mistakes when they do happen. And trust me, they will happen if you're trying to accomplish something big, okay? Let me tell you a quick story. All right, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an author, I'm a motivational speaker, and there's lots of other titles that I can put on myself, but those are the biggest things. Now, I have made a lot of mistakes within my life and within my career. Okay? And I can 100% absolutely tell you that it sucks when those mistakes happen. So I remember one particular instance, we was going out for like a training exercise, so to speak. All right. So I was in the military, give you a little bit of a backstory. So I was in the military for 24 years. And I remember one particular training event that we went on. It was very poorly planned. Everything that could go wrong, absolutely 100% went wrong. And it was a great lesson for us as leaders to learn from the mistakes that we had made. Believe me, in front of the soldiers, we looked like absolute garbage. And just one thing kept happening after another. Well, it got to a point to where it was like, you know what? This has to stop. We have to stop this. And we must conduct what I like to call an after action review. Okay, so when problems happen, and they will, the best way to solve those things is with an after action review. But how exactly does an after action review work? Well, it works like this. It boils down to particular questions that you must ask yourself and you must answer in order to figure out a solution so that when you move forward next time and do the exact same thing that you did that had problems, issues, mistakes, you won't make those same mistakes. So here's how exactly you do that. Okay. First and foremost, you figure out what was supposed to happen. Okay. Clearly identify what was supposed to happen. This was supposed to happen, whatever this may be. Okay. And then you move to step number 2, which is what did happen. Okay. Now, this could be both positive and negative. You want to make sure that you highlight the positive things. What did happen? Well, here's the things that happened. This is exactly what happened, and this is what happened that went right. So that way, next time you can put those things that went right within your toolkit, and you can continue to do those things because you know what? You know that they work. Okay, so that the next time you conduct that event, that thing, whatever it may be, I know that I'm being very generic, but the point is the solution, the things, the framework, okay? And they work for pretty much anything. You can apply this framework to anything. So what went right? What went right? Put that in your toolkit so that way you can do that next time, okay? That's a part of what happened. Also, what happened is the opposite end of that, which was the negative part. Well, this is something that also happened, but it wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, great. What happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, how many ever things that happened that was negative. Now, those are the things that you need to fix, modify, tweak, resolve. So that way, next time when you come up with a better plan of action, you won't make those same mistakes. Okay. Now, what you do is you say, what happened? What went right? What went wrong? Or what was supposed to happen. So this is those things that happened, okay, and they were wrong. How do you fix them? Well, you come up with that list of here's all the things that went wrong. Here's exactly what I would do to mitigate that risk or mitigate that problem or do something different so that way next time I can take a different or more appropriate action so that way that thing doesn't happen again. Okay. Now, so far we got what was supposed to happen, what did happen, okay, what went right, what went wrong, how we can fix those things. And then at that point that's where you do, the next time you do that event, you try out those new things. You come up with that plan of action so that way those problems don't happen again. And if they do, great. Repeat the process. Repeat the exact same process. Conduct an after action review. What was supposed to happen? What did happen? What did not happen? What went right? What went wrong? Modify, tweak, adjust as normal. And then repeat the process. Now you have a framework so that anytime and every time that you conduct some type of event, like I said, it could be anything in which you can review so that you can get better and you can constantly make improvements and you can not really avoid, well, I guess you could use the word avoid problems, issues, mistakes the best that you possibly can. All right. So even though perfection is probably not possible, you can at least mitigate a lot of those issues as close to possible. Or I don't want to use the word perfection, but you can mitigate a lot of that as close to possible. I'll just say it that way. Okay. So kind of a short video here, but I just wanted to kind of break down how I approach problems when they happen, and that's conducting an after action review. Once again, here's the steps. Clearly identify what was supposed to happen, what did happen, what went right, what went wrong, and then how do you solve those things that went wrong, and repeat the process. Okay, so if you like this video, you got a little bit of value from that, and you learned something from this framework, please drop a comment below. And if you're new to the channel and you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. That way you can stay in tune with the things that I'm putting out. And if you got any ideas, recommendations, suggestions, anything that you want me to talk about, please leave me a comment. Let me know, hey, Terry, I want you to talk about this, and I will do my best to make a video about that. All right, so once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.